Now, folks, clearly we're already an hour in. I've got loads more I want to show you. So we're going to be going late, all right? So just strap in, buckle up, get yourself a glass of wine. It's that time of night when I think we've deserved a glass of wine. Let's strap ourselves in, buckle ourselves up, and let's see where this little party will take us. Now, Anita, I hope it's okay with you. I'm going to use your AdWords account. What am I doing here? Hopefully that's it. All right. So I'm just logging into an AdWords account. It just so happens to be the AdWords account that is Anita's, where we used it to make $8,000 in a week, and it continues to make a lot of money using Google AdWords. All right. So I'm going to use this as the example, ads and extensions. All right. So there are lots and lots of different ways to run your ads, and Kate's question is this. Have I used responsive ads versus text ads? If I have split tested them, what is the result? All right, so first of all, it's important to understand the difference between those two things. All right, so let's go over to Google. Now that's a Google search, it is. So let's do a search for vitamin C serum. Hopefully I'm going to be able to do something for this and it will work here in Portugal. Yes. All right, so this is a search ad. Just there. You can see it's got a little word there that says ad. There too. Ad. So that is a search ad. Search ad. These are shopping ads, which is a whole different level of awesomeness that I haven't actually covered yet in my inner circle. Maybe we should do that soon. That's a whole different thing though. Notice though that they rank at the top. So, you know, Google Shopping, that's what ranks on the top of Google. Very, very interesting. And here we have organic results, meaning they're not adverts, it's just ranking, all right? So that is a traditional search ad, text ad, because it's all text. Now, here we are on the Daily Mail Australia website. Let me just refresh this. And you can see already that there are adverts on this particular website too. So hopefully we're going to get to see it. So these adverts here, and this is a big advert here, and over on the left and right too, they're all adverts on something called the Google Display Network. So the first thing to know is that they're different ads, Kate. Search ads and responsive ads operate on different networks. So search network is this, what you go to Google for. Display network is on a website, all right? Now on websites, which is on the display network, and tell me if I'm losing you a bit here, it's going to get a little bit techie. You can either do two sorts of adverts. You can either do image ads, which is what these are all image ads. And notice they are not at all responsive, all right? Not at all responsive. That means I move my screen, they haven't altered in shape or size, we just get to see less of them, all right? That's what responsive means. It means if you look at them and change the shape of your screen, then they will change too. Now let's just hit refresh and see if we can get some different adverts. Hopefully we'll be able to, and then I'll be able to show you some other things, what's going on. So, no, still our Citron ones. And typically, when you're setting up ads on the content network, which is where we are now, content, just think of that, websites. You run ads on other people's websites. You've got two choices. One of them is text ads and the other is image ads. Now, I have split tested the hell out of the two different things. I'm not able to show you a text ad. Let's see if there's one further down. Daily Mail, what a trashy website. Holy shit. It's just all bikinis, craziness. It's just all nuts. I'm scrolling down fast because I'm trying to see if I can find a text ad for you. That's an image ad, unfortunately. No, it doesn't look like I'm going to be able to oh, wait a minute. That's image ad. Hold on. Image ads. No, all right, no worries. So we can't find that. So all we can find, unfortunately, is image ads. Text ads they look a lot like these ads, except for they're on this website. So it's a very, very simple ad. And all things being equal, text ads do not work very well at all on the content network, all things being equal. So I would say do not use them. Also, be very, very careful about running traffic on the content network. It is definitely an advanced strategy. Definitely an advanced strategy. And I would be extremely cautious about running traffic on the content network. The only traffic I run for my Amazon business on the content network is remarketing ads. That's the only ads I run. So I use remarketing on the content network, and this is where it runs on the content network. So yes, so just be mindful of that. But if you get it right, you can do a lot of cool things. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.